So student, before start discussing the various planets, I want to teach you the difference between the stars and planet. Okay, so first is related to the light. Stars has its own light, but the planets do not have their own light, right? Twinkle, stars twinkle at night, but planets reflect sunlight, so it does not twinkle at all. Okay, if we talk about numbers, so stars are countless in numbers, but planets are only 8 in number. If we talk about size, the stars are very big in size and planets are very small as compared to stars. Okay, and motion, stars do not change their position in the sky. The planets revolve around the stars, that is sun. But planets क्या करते हैं, स्टार के अराउंड घूमते हैं. So it's all about the difference between the stars and the planets. So let's discuss about the various planets. So first planet we are going to discuss is Mercury. Mercury is the planet which is nearest to the sun. Mercury is the smallest planet of solar system. It can be seen either as a morning star in the eastern sky just before the sunrise or as an evening star in the western sky just after the sunset. Mercury shows phases like moon. No life exists on planet Mercury because and Mercury has no satellite even. Okay, so it is also called the morning and the evening star even. Okay, sorry, the next planet is called the morning and the evening star. Okay, so life can't exist on Mercury because Mercury पे क्या है, life नहीं exist कर सकती because वहाँ पे atmosphere नहीं है. Okay, it's very a hot planet. Okay, so that much hotness human beings can't bear, right? So the next planet we are having Venus. Venus is the closest planet to the earth. Venus is the brightest object in the night sky. The hottest planet is the Venus. It can be seen either as a morning star or in the eastern sky just before the sunrise, as an evening star in the western sky just after the sunset. And the Venus is called the morning and the evening star. Okay, Venus also shows shows phases like moon. It has no satellite. Venus star is also called the शुक्र ग्रह in Hindi. Okay, हम इसको शुक्र ग्रह भी कहते हैं हिंदी में, और मरकरी को हम बुध ग्रह कहते हैं. Now next we are having the most important planet, that is Earth. Earth is the only planet in the solar system in which life known to exist. Earth has one natural satellite called Moon and it has 1072 artificial satellites. Earth takes 365 days and 6 hours to complete one revolution and 24 hours to complete one rotation. Okay, 24 hours में वो एक rotation complete करता है, due to which day and night takes place. Okay, और complete revolution period क्या है उसका, 365 days means 1 year. Okay, why we say that life exists on the earth easily? Because some special environmental conditions are responsible for the existence and continuation of life on earth. These include just the right distance from the sun, so it has the right temperature range, the presence of water and suitable atmosphere, and a blanket of ozone there even. Okay, from space the earth appears blue green due to reflection of light from the water and land mass on the earth surface. हमें अर्थ क्या है, स्पेस से ग्रीन और ब्लू दिखती है. इट्स ड्यू टू द रिफ्लेक्शन ऑफ द ग्रीनरी एंड द लैंड मास ऑफ द सरफेस. ओके, द एक्सिस ऑफ रोटेशन ऑफ अर्थ इज नॉट परपेंडिकुलर टू द प्लेन ऑफ इट्स ऑर्बिट. Okay everyone, so the next planet on earth is, so it's all about the life exist on the earth. So next we are having the Mars. Mars is called the red planet because its surface appears to be red. Mars को हम क्या है, red planet कहते हैं क्योंकि इसका surface red color का होता है. Okay, and Mars is most like the earth. The thin atmosphere of Mars contains mainly carbon dioxide with small amount of nitrogen, oxygen, noble gases and water vapors. Okay, and Mars has 2 natural satellites. Next planet is the biggest planet, that is the Jupiter. Jupiter is the largest planet of the solar system. It is so large that about 1300 Earth can be placed inside the giant planet. मतलब अगर 1300 अर्थ को हम इकट्ठा करें तो एक जुपिटर बनता है बेटा. ओके, द मास ऑफ जुपिटर इज अबाउट 318 times that of our Earth. It rotates very rapidly on its axis. Okay, but if we compare to the sun, Jupiter is much more smaller than the sun. Okay, Jupiter appears to be very bright object in the night sky. Jupiter is made mainly of hydrogen and helium. Jupiter has 28 satellites as well. Okay, so next planet we are having is Saturn. Okay, Jupiter is Saturn, which appears yellowish in color and makes the solar system unique and beautiful, students. Okay, it has unique rings around it. These rings are not visible with the naked eyes. You can observe them with a telescope, and Saturn also has a number of satellites. It is called Shani Grah in Hindi. Okay student, its density is very less than that of water. Water से भी इसकी density क्या है, बहुत कम है. Now next we are having the Neptune. This is the outermost planet of the solar system. They can only seen with the help of large telescope. Okay, the planet Neptune is the farthest from the sun and Earth. The Neptune's second planet, which discovered with the help of telescope. It is extremely cold planet. It is the fourth largest planet of the solar system. It has 8 satellites and it is called the Varun Grah in Hindi. Okay. So students, these are the 8 planets which I discussed with you. So students, the first 4 planets, that is Mercury, Venus, Earth and Mars, are much nearer to the sun than other 4 planets. So they are called the inner planets. Okay, जो sun के पास हैं पहले 4 planet, that are called the inner planets. The inner planets have very few moons. इनके moons बहुत कम हैं. Okay, the planets outside the orbits of Mars, namely Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune are much farther off than the inner planets. Okay, they are called the outer planets. जो Mars के बाहर वाले हैं उनको हम outer planets कहते हैं. Okay, the outer planets have large number of moons. Okay, so this is all about the planets. Students, stars और planets के अलावा भी कुछ members हैं solar system के that we discussed in the starting, that are asteroids, comets, meteors and meteoroids, right? So let's learn about some of them. So first are the asteroids. Asteroids are small celestial objects which revolve around the sun between the orbits of Mars and Jupiter. ठीक है, जो आपके asteroids होते हैं, asteroids you can see here in the slide, जो आपके Mars और Jupiter के बीच में क्या है, छोटी छोटी rocks की क्या एक layer belt like structure होता है, which are called the asteroids. Okay, asteroids are also called the minor planets. हम इनको minor planets भी कहते हैं and are the member of our solar system. जो astronomers थे believe that asteroids are the pieces of matter that were formed at the same time as the rest of the planets, which somehow could not assemble to form a major planet. वो कहता है जब सारे planets बने हैं तभी उस time पे ये assemble हुए थे, but due to some reasons ये major planet नहीं बन पाए. ठीक है. Students, asteroids can be seen through large telescopes. There are as many as 100,000 asteroids. It can be measured a few meters to 100 kilometers in width. Okay, the surface of asteroids is full of craters indicating impact from meteorites. Okay, so the next we will discuss in the next video.